Hey folks, it's the Brown Noser. We're at Lime Kiln Trail, and I have with me the DJI Neo 2, and we're gonna put it through its paces. Come on along. I want to stress that this video is not a review of the DJI Neo 2. There are far more qualified reviewers out there. I was simply testing some of the features of this self-flying drone. DW and I are returning to Costa Rica with some friends next month, and I plan to take this drone with me. I'll mostly use it to follow us through jungle paths and along beaches. Unlike my previous Neo drone, this updated version has obstacle avoidance sensors and is even easier to use. I have a separate remote controller for taking the drone in places that I can't reach or take it higher. The winding paths were no issue with the drone, though I had to use hand gestures to move the drone from time to time. This feature is a game changer. But then again, this isn't a review. I hope to be comfortable using the drone on our trip, but for now, I'm letting it follow me around the Lime Kiln Trail, which is part of the Stony Swamp Trail system and takes you past the ruins of a 19th century kiln which was disused in 1906. Not much of the buildings remain, and today the snow and ice made it treacherous to get close to. Parts were even gated off. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. From the Lime Kiln Trail In Ottawa's southwest end, this is the Brown Noser. See you next time.